PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania are dedicated to offering high-quality commercial furnace repair services to keep your company warm and pleasant. Our team of licensed and certified experts has the expertise and tools needed to swiftly and efficiently diagnose and repair any problem with your commercial furnace. Call our commercial furnace repair today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What are the signs that my commercial furnace needs repair? Unusual sounds, uneven heating, increased energy bills, or a complete failure to turn on are all indications that your business furnace needs repair. Can I prevent the need for commercial furnace repair? Regular maintenance and inspections might assist to avoid severe problems. Additionally, making sure that your furnace is not overworked and that air filters are changed on a regular basis can help keep your furnace in good working order. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial furnace repair service have served Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-hvac-service.